Hello everyone, Carlamel here from Wallace Tech, and this is the Infinix GT 50 Pro launching globally today and first in the Philippines. Here are the top features that I really like, but before that, let's take a quick unboxing. Welcome to Wallace Tech, where we preview and review gadgets as we get them. We unboxed this package all the way from the Infinix headquarters, where a GT 50 Pro Cooling Edition box is inside. As we open it, we get two more, one for the phone and another for the Mad Cool accessory that will be bundled for every purchase. Inside the phone box, we get the following: the hard plastic Mad case, documents, the SIM tray pin, the phone itself, the 45-watt charging adapter, and the USB A to C data and charging cable. The other is an accessory box where we have the Mad charge adapter and a USB C to C charging cable. I love the design of the new Infinix GT 50 Pro. It builds on last year's GT 30 Pro but feels more refined this time. It follows that hypercar-inspired look but now with cleaner lines and a more premium Kevlar-like texture at the back. The mechanical light display is still there. This time it's styled like an X and it's sleeker than ever. It's brighter too, and it offers more preset gradient options that complements your style. One of the standout elements here is the pipeline window display. It's a transparent section that lets you see the cooling system in action, giving the phone a mechanical, almost alive look when you use it. Around the frame, you'll notice some changes too. On the right side, the GT triggers are now larger and slightly raised, making them easier to feel during gameplay. At the bottom, you'll still get your usual ports along with a dual nano SIM tray. Sorry, there's no micro SD card slot here. Up top, the layout is mostly the same too, but now with a Dolby Atmos branding. Despite having the same screen size, the phone feels more compact overall thanks to its sleeker and more refined build. This Infinix GT 50 Pro scored 1.8 million with the Antutu benchmark, which gives you an idea on the level of performance you're getting here with the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. It's safe to say that multitasking has never been an issue here, and we're able to play a lot of our games easily and without much issues, especially for compatible games such as Free Fire and Arena Breakout, where you have native 144Hz graphics settings and even ray tracing, or even more resource-intensive games like Genshin Impact or Wuthering Waves that has steadily maintained around 50 to 60 frames during gameplay. But what really sets this phone apart is the brand new cooling system. For the first time in this segment, Infinix introduces a micro-pump liquid cooling setup. This hydroflow architecture is designed to cover the core heat areas of the phone, helping you maintain stable performance even during long gaming sessions. When playing titles like Mobile Legends at the highest 144Hz graphics setting, the phone manages heat quite well. We saw temperatures from 33 to around 37 degrees after several matches. If you pair it with the Mag Charge cooler, you can even charge wirelessly and cool the device at the same time, which helps reduce heat buildup further. You can also opt to use wireless bypass charging, so look Mal, no more stock wires on the side. Gaming controls also get an upgrade. The upgraded GT triggers now support dual pressure input, meaning you can assign multiple actions to a single trigger depending on how hard you press it. You can map up to 8 actions and adjust sensitivity across different levels, giving you more control in competitive games. And they are not just for gaming, you can also use them for camera controls like zooming and capturing photos and even accessing apps through a customizable shortcut setting. For the display, you're getting a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. It's sharp, smooth, and bright enough for outdoor use with good color and contrast. Battery life is backed by a large 6,500 mAh battery, giving you plenty of headroom for long gaming sessions without constantly reaching for the charger, or you just simply bypass that one. And despite being a gaming-focused phone, the 50-megapixel dual rear camera setup captures photos with fairly accurate colors, good dynamic range, and decent low-light performance. On the front, you get a 13-megapixel selfie camera that's good enough for social media and video calls. So that's a quick look at the new Infinix GT 50 Pro. If you want to know more, you can check out our full review at wallacetech.com. And if you have any other questions, you can drop them down in the comments below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until next time.